To Tallahassee now, a controversial bill that would allow people in Florida to carry a concealed weapon without a permit has cleared yet another major hurdle in the legislature. Local 10's Glenna Milberg is in our newsroom now to fill us in on the changes. Glenna.
Calvin, permitless carry is gone as the title. The bill is now called public safety. There are additions like school security enhancements, but opposition remains to the firearm safety measures the bill does not have. This time, students took the shots on the Capitol steps.
I, like a lot of you, have grown up in a time when gun violence is a daily occurrence.
Hours earlier inside,
the Judiciary Committee will come to order.
The bill eliminating permits required for concealed carry cleared its last House committee.
We have to go back to the United States Constitution, and if people have a right to carry.
But the bill has a new name. It's now called Public Safety, with additions enhancing school security. But that move does not move the opposition, among them the rep from Parkland.
When it's relaxing requirements for background checks in order to conceal carry, and it's also removing the requirement to show competency with a firearm.
Taking away proof that gun owners know how to safely store and shoot is a concern we've heard even from NRA member instructors. But there are others.
And more people walking around with more guns makes our communities less safe.
Let's call permitless carry what it is. It's political carry.
Florida's Republican supermajority has made this one priority, and some Republicans do oppose that it doesn't go far enough to allow free and open carry.
You don't have to get the government's permission in order to carry that gun that you've already gotten permission from the government to own.
The bill does not change the law about purchasing a gun, and it does have a list of places where concealed carry will not be permitted. With today's vote, that bill is ready for the House floor when session starts March 7th.